Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of grade 7, chapter number 2, exercise 2.2 from question number 5. So first question 1 by 2 of 24 and second one is 46. So let's solve 1 by 2 of, it means here we have to take multiply and then 24. So here cutting is possible. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 12s are 24. It means 12 2s are 24. So here we have to cut it with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 12s are 24. So our answer is 12. Then second one, that is 1 by 2 of 46. So here we have to cut it down again. 2 ones are 2 and 2 23s are 46. So our answer is 23. Now coming to the next question, 2 by 3 of 18 and 27. So here 2 by 3 of, it means multiply and then 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So here 2 6 are, it is 12. Then second one, 2 by 3 of 27. So here we have to cut it down. 3 ones are 3, 3 9s are 27. So 2 9s are, it is 18. So our answer is 18. So now next question, 3 by 4 of 16 and here 36. So let's solve the first one. 3 by 4 of, it means multiply. Here 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. So here 3 4s are, it is 12. Then second one, 3 by 4 of 36. So here again we have to cut it with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 9s are 36. So 3 9s are, it is 27. Now the 4 upon 5 of 20 and 35. So here first one, 4 upon 5 of 20, it means into 20. 5 ones are 5, 4s are 20. So 4 4s are, it is 16. Second one, 4 by 5 into 35. So 5 ones are 5, 7s are 35. So 4 into 7, it is 28. So now question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So first of all, the given number is we have to multiply it and then we have to make it in a mixed fraction form. The answer which comes in a improper fraction, so those answers we have to convert it in a mixed fraction form. So our first question is 3 into 5 1 by 5. So 3 into 5 1 upon 5. So 3 into 5, 5 5s are, that is 25, and then we have to plus 1. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1, that is 26 upon 5. So here 26 into 3, that is 78 upon 5. So here numerator is bigger than denominator. So this answer is in improper fraction. So we have to convert it into a mixed fraction form. So 5 ones are 5, here 2 and 8. 5 5s are, it is 25, here 3 is the remainder. So here we have to write 5 in the denominator and this 3 which is a remainder we have to write it upward and this 15 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 15 3 by 5. Now next question, 5 into 6 3 by 4. So here 5 into 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 4 6 are, that is 24, 24 plus 3 27 upon 4. So here 27 into 5, that is 135 upon 4. So now here numerator is greater than denominator, so the answer is in improper fraction. So now we have to convert it into mixed fraction form. So 135 divided by 4. So 4 3s are, it is 12. So here 1 and 5. So 4 3s are again 12. 3 is the remainder. So 4 we have to write it in the denominator and this remainder we have to write it upward and this portion we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 33 3 by 4. Now third one, 7 into 2 1 by 4. So 7 into 2 1 by 4. So 7 into 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9 upon 4. Now 7 into 9, that is 63 upon 4. Now the numerator is greater than denominator, so again we have to convert it into a mixed fraction form. So 63 divided by 4, so 4 1s are 4, here 2 and 3. 4 5s are, it is 20. So here 3 is the remainder. So we have to write 4 in the denominator and this 3 remainder we have to write it upward, and this 15 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 15 3 by 4. Now D, 4 into 6 1 by 3. So 4 into 6 1 by 3. 4 into 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19 upon 3. So 4 into 19, that is 19 4s are 76 upon 3. Then here the numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert it into a mixed fraction form. So 3 2s are 6. So here 1 and 6. So it is 16. So 3 5s are 15. So here we have to put 1. So 1 is the remainder, so we have to write 3 in the denominator. Remainder 1 we have to write it upward, and 25 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 25 1 by 3. Now E, 3 1 by 4 into 6. So here 3 1 by 4 into 6. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, it is 13 upon 4 into 6. So here cutting is possible. So it is 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So here 13 into 3, it is 39. 39 upon 2. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 2 1s are 2, here 1 and 9. 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. So here 1 is the remainder. So here we have to write 2 in the denominator, and this 1 remainder we have to put it upward, and this 19 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 19 1 by 2. Now F, 3 2 by 5 into 8. So here 3 2 by 5 into 8. So 3 5s are 15 plus 1 70 plus 2 70. 70 upon 5 into 8. So 17 into 8, that is 126 upon 5. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 5 2s are, it is 10. So यहाँ पर 3 and then 6. 5 7s are, it is 35. So 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 5 in the denominator. This 1 we have to write it in the numerator, and then 27 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 27 1 by 5. Now question number 7. Find A 1 by 2 of first question 2 3 by 4, second 4 2 by 9. So let's solve the first question. 1 by 2 of, it means multiply 2 3 by 4. So here 1 by 2 into, this number is given in a mixed fraction form, so we have to convert it. So 4 2s are 8, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So it is 11 upon 4. So now 11 ones are, it is 11, and here 2 4s are, it is 8. So now 11 upon 8, so this answer comes in an improper fraction. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So here 8 ones are 8. So here 3 is the remainder. So here our answer is, we have to write 8 in the denominator. This 3 we have to write it upward, and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 3 by 8. The second one, 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So here 1 by 2 into 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, it is 38 upon 9. So here cutting is possible. So 2 1s are 2 19s are. So it is 19 upon 9. So here numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 9 2s are, it is 18. So here 1 is a remainder. So we have to write 9 in the denominator, and this remainder we have to write it upward, and this 2 that is a quotient we have to write in a side. So our answer is 2 1 by 9. Now question number B, 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 and 9 2 by 3. So let's solve the first one. 5 by 8 into 3 5 by 6. So here 5 upon 8 into 6 is 18, 18 plus 5 that is 23 upon 6. So here 5 into 23 that is 115 upon 8 into 6 that is 48. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So here 115 divided by 48. So 48 2s are, that is 96. So here we have to cut this and put 15 over here and here 10 and here 0. So 15 minus 6 that is 9 and 10 minus 9 that is 1. So 90 is the remainder. So we have to write 48 in the denominator and this 90 remainder we have to put it upward and this 2 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 219 upon 48. Then second one, 5 upon 8 into 9 2 by 3. So here 5 upon 8 into 3 9s are, that is 27, 27 plus 2, 29. So it is 29 into 5. So now 5 into 29, that is 145 upon 8 3s are, that is 24. So here the numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert it into a mixed fraction form. So here 24 6 are 144. So here 1 is the remainder. So our answer is, we have to write 24 in the denominator and this 1 remainder we have to write it upward and this we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 6 1 by 24. So number 8, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle which contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 part of the water and the remaining water it is consumed by Pratap. So here we have to find out that how much water did Vidya drink. We have to write total amount of water in a bottle is equal to 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. So here we have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. So amount of water by Vidya is equal to 2 by 5 of water. It means we have to multiply it with 5. So here 5 cut. So here 2 liters. So here Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Now we have to find out how much water did Pratap drink, because remaining water it is consumed by Pratap. So water consumed by Pratap is equal to 5 minus 2, because here the share of water which is consumed by Vidya we have to subtract it from total amount of water. So it is 3 liters. So water consumed by Pratap it is 3 liters. Next question is, what fraction of water did Pratap drink? So here we have to find out the fraction. So here we got that Pratap, water consumed by Pratap, water consumed by Pratap is equal to 3 liters. Now fraction of water consumed by Pratap is equal to, we know that the total amount of water is 5 liters. So we have to write that 5 in the denominator and the total water consumed by Pratap, that is 3. So this second answer is, it is 3 upon 5. So dear students, here we completed our exercise 2.2. I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.